To understand the different types of equilibrium, the three types of equilibrium, we will take the example which is explained in the book using a frustum. Frustum is nothing but a cone with the top cut. The top of the cone is cut, right? So this is an example of a frustum. I have taken a cone ice cream mold. Actually, it is hollow. But you imagine that it is a solid frustum, solid cone ice cream mold. So in order to make you understand that it is a solid one, I am packing this with rice, right? So I have just packed this with rice. Imagine that it is full of rice, right? Now it is not a hollow, it's not a hollow cone, it is solid. I am not packed it fully, but imagine that it is fully packed, it is a solid cone, right? So the center of gravity of this solid cone will be somewhere in the middle of the cone, which cannot be represented or understood when we talk about the line of action or the center of gravity and so on. So in order to represent the center of gravity of a solid cone, I am going to just place a center of gravity point on the surface of the cone. So you have to understand that this point actually does not lie on the surface. It actually lies somewhere inside the solid cone. So this is the understanding that you have to take into account when I am referring to this point for the further explanation when I talk about the different types of stability. So this point, which is the center of gravity, the point at which the weight of the body acts, does not actually lie on the surface. It actually lies somewhere in the middle of this solid cone. Since it is hollow one and I cannot represent the center of gravity in this hollow, this place, I am just showing the center of gravity by just placing a small dot on the surface of the cone, right? So we will explain, we will understand the concept of stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium and neutral equilibrium with the frustum, with the center of gravity referred with this point, which is just marked on the surface for you to have a better understanding. Thank you. In this video, we will discuss the first type of equilibrium called as stable equilibrium with a book example which is given using a frustum. Frustum is nothing but a part of a cone where the top is cut, right? So this is a frustum which you can relate it with a traffic cone, right? It is said to have a stable equilibrium because if you just see the center of gravity, it is the point through which the entire weight of the body acts, right? So the center of gravity of this frustum is very, very closer to the base. It is because the mass is concentrated because it is tapering. It is tapering at the top. So the more mass is concentrated at the base, so the center of gravity is here at this point where I have pasted the bindi, right? And this line of action is an imaginary line through which the weight of the body acts. And you just see this frustum as a broader base. So these are the two main important conditions for a stability of an object. The center of gravity should be low and the base should be broad. So what happens when this frustum is slightly disturbed? If the frustum is slightly displaced or disturbed, the center of gravity will just raise. Can you see? It is just moving with an increased height. But the line of action, this is the line of action, will not be the same way. It will be vertically following the center of gravity, right? So as the center of gravity increases in the height, the line of action through which the weight of the body acts will still be within the base of support. Now the base of support of this frustum is just this point, right? After the displacement. But as the cone is getting displaced, the line of action through which the weight of the body acts still lies within the base of support, and so the frustum returned to its original position even after displacement. So this frustum is said to have a stable equilibrium. Hope you followed. Just recall the points. Center of gravity is raised when it is disturbed, and the line of action through which the center of gravity acts falls within the base even after the displacement. So it returns to its original position, and so this frustum is said to have a stable equilibrium. Now we will discuss about the unstable equilibrium in the next example.